In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Looker Studio display a 0 instead of no data or null. This is a handy trick that can help clarify your data visualizations and improve the accuracy of your calculations. We're going to look at two effective approaches, each with its own particular advantages, depending on your specific needs. First up, we have the option to use the missing data settings. This method is particularly quick and most suitable if you're working with scorecards and other visual elements where missing data might otherwise show up as a blank, a dash, or even just the phrase no data. So, let's dive into how you can make this adjustment. Start by selecting your chart or scorecard while you're in edit mode. After you've done that, navigate over to the Style tab, which you'll find on the Properties panel. Here is where the magic happens. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Missing Data. Click on it and you'll see several options. Choose Show 0. And just like that, your visual will now display a 0 anytime there's missing or null data. This small change can make a significant difference, offering a bit of visual continuity and making reports easier to interpret at a glance. Now, for those of you who are aiming for enhanced data accuracy and need to ensure that null values are treated as zeros in both calculations and charts, the next approach might be the right fit for you. This method involves using a calculated field with an if null or NARE at max formula. Let's walk through the steps. Start by selecting the chart you want to tweak. Click on Setup, navigate to Add Metric, and then choose Create Field. This is where you'll enter your formula. If you opt for the if null formula, it will return 0 if the value is null. Alternatively, the NARE max function will take the maximum value between your field and 0, ensuring that you always get a non-null result. Give this new field an appropriate name, something like Sessions No Nulls, to make sure you remember its purpose. Once you've named your field, click Apply and you're all set. Incorporate this new field into your metrics, and you'll notice that nulls are now automatically replaced by zeros. This simple switch allows for accurate sums, averages, and other calculations, transforming your analytics into something both more reliable and informative. So, whether you need a straightforward visual fix or a more in-depth solution for your data calculations, Looker Studio has got you covered with these effective methods. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your data visualizations.